मैसेज तो भेज दिया था मैंने, तीन हो गया था रेस्ट ले आंसर शीट दे दिया आपने इनको, आंसर शीट दे बच्चों किसी का कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट इन फूड काम है। ओके ये कैसे कर रहे हैं, पढ़ना भूल गया था पेज और तूने अलग पेज नहीं खरीद किया, ये सब चीजें समझानी पड़ती है, थोड़ा सा एक्सपर्ट है आंसर शीट तुम ना मार, अलग से आंसर शीट नहीं ले सकता था उस दिन में कैमरा है। क्या कर रहे हैं तुम सब एमसीक्यू अलग रखो। 10 मिनट पहले बुलाया था, मैसेज भी डाला था, जल्दी दे फटाफट मेरी क्लास में। आप एक काम करेंगे और आज इंप्रूवमेंट इन फूड रिसोर्सेज दोनों के चैप्टर एनसीईआरटी खत्म करिए। नहीं ग्रेविटेशन नहीं, ग्रेविटेशन तो कर दिया वो परसों हमने बस ये पूरा होने वाला है मेरा क्लास में चली गई ना काफी दिन रहेगा। हां वो करना है, तुम एक काम करो आज ग्रेविटेशन ही करो है ना, ठीक कह रही है फिर ग्रेविटेशन की कर लेती हूं, उसके बाद फिर अगर टाइम बचेगा तो बाकी कवर लूंगी। बाकी दूसरा जो है हमने एक ग्रेविटेशन करना वो सरफेस एरिया वाले में परसों करा था। ओके लाइव में करा सर। अगर हमारे ना प्री एनुअल होंगे तो उसमें पूरा सिलेबस आएगा, खत्म हो गया ना, ठीक है ना। तो अब तुम्हारे बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट नाउ, पढ़ना तुमने है, मैं तो अपना काम कर दिया, मैं तो रोज कर रहा हूँ। ग्रेविटेशन का 180 मिनट का डीपी बना के दिया था मैंने, ठीक है ना, और उसके साथ साथ मैंने तुमको वो भी दिया था पॉलिनोमियल का पूरा डिटेल तैयार किया, तो तुम पढ़ो सिलेबस तो हमें खत्म करे हुए बहुत दिन हो गए, साथ में कह तो मैं रिवीजन बहुत सारा ले लूंगा। कंप्लीट सिलेबस टेस्ट तो मैंने ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर दिया, आंसर शीट कहाँ करी पापा की तबीयत कैसी है आज, प्लेटलेट सही आया ना। हाँ बेटा जी आप सिलेंडर एनसीईआरटी में से आपको बताना है, और पहले सिलेंडर वाली एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, पहले सिलेंडर करो, सॉरी गलत कह गया, वो तो हम परसों ही ले रहे हैं, अब ग्रेविटेशन करेंगे। ओके ग्रेविटेशन का सब कुछ आपकी डिटेल आपके पास है ही। यस ग्रेविटेशन और ग्रेविटेशन बाय इंप्रूवमेंट इन फूड रिसोर्स, इंप्रूवमेंट फूड रिसोर्सेज कपिल सर आपको बता देंगे, वो भी आ रहा है तुम्हारे बायोलॉजी में। स्टार्ट करें अंदर, आप डिस्टर्ब नहीं होगे ना फिर। गौरांश आ गया, good evening, good evening. हाँ गौरांश, that's great. Are you here बेटा?
Yes sir, I'm here.
So have you done the chapter work energy and power?
Sir, yes sir.
That's great. So we are discussing the same बेटा जी। हाँ हाँ good evening. हाँ ठीक, कोई जेरोक्स निकाल ली है ना, ग्रेट।
Sir, I had a doubt.
हाँ बेटा प्लीज आस्क मी।
Did you send the MIQ of work energy and power?
Yeah, of course I need to send it right now.
Yeah.
Just wait for a moment.
outside. Yeah, you get out. Right. हमारा प्री एनुअल जनवरी हमारे 15 नंबर के थे
So I think so 1 and 2 students are about to come. Then I'm कल के टेस्ट के आंसर शीट दीजिए. Evening. Please check it. Have you received the work energy and power GPP right now?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, without wasting time now, we should start the same. Switch on to the very first question. What should be the option for the first part? Dia?
C.
And you, D or C?
C.
C is the correct answer, right? The answer for the first is C. Goransh, clear hai?
Sir.
What would be the answer for the second part?
remains constant. Yes, sir.
Is it right? The answer for the second question is C part. Any doubt to it? They are clear?
No, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा आप बताएं विकास. सी. Question number third. Varun. Question number third. The answer is positive. Anut. Very positive is the correct answer. Good, Anut. Clear? I hope this is clear to you. Fourth question.
Yes, sir.
Gaurash, can you tell me the answer to the fourth one?
The B.
B. No, tell me the exact one. B. You have said the B. Any other? आप बताओ बेटा. Power. Power is the answer. Is it correct? Do you also know, Dia, what should be the answer? Is power is correct?
Sir, I thought it was energy.
Excellent answer. It is energy. It's not power. Kilowatt hour, I told you, it is always be an energy. Kilowatt hour is 1 unit. So you should prompt over here if you had given the answer as power, that means your concept for the energy is weak. Electrical energy is definitely weak. You have not revised the content. So the answer for the fourth one is C. Right? The fifth question. Avan, what should be the answer of the fifth one? D. So is it right? But the answer, Dear, what is the answer for the fifth one?
Sir, that I don't know. I don't.
Okay, I'll tell you now. Shubham, what is the answer? Either? Either word is something very bad to listen about. Ansh, what should be the answer for the fifth one?
I don't know.
Okay, how are you now? I came to know that you have fever, right?
Yes, sir. So now I am feeling better.
So I got the answer to the fifth question as 1 and all of you are wrong. Why? Kinetic energy is half mv square. A mass of 1 kilogram has a kinetic energy. That means this is equal to 1 joule given to us, right? So this is half. Mass is as 1 into v square is 1. That means v square is equal to 2. That means v is equal to root 2, right? And the value of this is 1.4 meter per second, right?
Yes, sir.
आंसर फॉर द सिक्स्थ वन दीपांशु, जिससे पूछूंगा वही आंसर देगा. सिक्स्थ, व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर? द आंसर ऑफ द सिक्स्थ इज ए. इज इट करेक्ट, दिया?
Sir, I got it as A.
180. A is the correct option. Work is said to be negative whensoever the force acts in a direction opposite to the direction of displacement. And hence it has to be at an angle of 90 degree. That means Anut, you, Sarav, yourself, even Shubham, you need to revise this chapter thoroughly. Your concepts are weak. 180 degree ठीक, लेकिन पिछले 2 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर गलत थे. Sixth, I hope हो गया. Seventh question. What would be the answer of the seventh one? Can you suggest me, Diya?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, option D.
Excellent answer. Ajis is the correct answer for this. Right? सेंटीमीटर ग्राम सेकंड एक नया क्वेश्चन है. ये एमकेएस सिस्टम होता है मीटर किलोग्राम सेकंड और एसआई सिस्टम होता है इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट. अर्ज इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी इन सीजीएस सिस्टम. नोट कर लो. 8th question. Ansh Singh, can you tell me what is the answer of the 8th question? Ansh? Goransh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, A.
A.
Sir, yes, sir. June.
Is it correct, Diya?
Sir, even I think it's A.
Yes, of course it's A. Great. 9th question. Tell me the answer of the 9th one.
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah, of course.
I got the answer as B, but I'm not sure.
The answer is B, beta. B. 32 or just tell me the value.
0.102.
Excellent answer is the correct one.
Yes.
Very good. Your answer is correct. Nice. The potential energy is mgh. Right? So here in this case the mass is given to us as 1. This is 1. Right? The value of g can be considered as 9.8. Agreed, and we are supposed to find out the height. and hence the height is 1 upon 9.8. It amounts to approximately 0.102 meter. 10th question. Dipanshu, I need the answer from your side. Question number 10. Everybody should try question number 10. This is most important question. 10th. Any one of you got the answer? Please tell me the answer. Any of you? Online, offline, both? What's the answer, Diya, for the 10th one?
Sir, 1 minute. I'm on. Sir, I got the option as A.
Excellent answer. Is a correct one. Why is it so? Because power is work upon time. And work is force into displacement upon time. Right? So in this question, we are available with what? Weight lifts 240 kilogram from the ground at a height of this. So here the work should be considered as in the form of weight into displacement. Displacement is height, right? Divided by time. So 240 into 9.8, right? Into the height is given to us as 2.5 and divided by the time is 3. This is one of the way. Another way is again power is work upon time and the weight is lifted in the upward direction, that means against the gravity, then it should appear in the form of potential energy, and hence potential energy upon time mgh upon t also results into the same answer. Agreed? Yes. Right? What should be the answer for the 11th, Varun? Potential energy is the answer for the 11th. Correct to everybody? Anybody having the doubt to do ask me. 12th question. 12th question. Goransh, what is the answer for the 12th?
Sir, can I answer?
हाँ शुभम. दिया आप बताएं.
Yeah, sir, it does not change. Option A.
Excellent answer.
Better option is.
Very good. Correct. Excellent answer. Great. 13th question. Anup, get me the answer of 13th question. Everybody should try and give me the answer. The moment you get the answer, tell me. 13th C. D is the correct answer or not, beta? 60 watt means, what is watt? 1 watt means electrical power is said to be 1 watt when it consumes 1 joule of electrical energy in 1 second. So 60 watt is here, that means 60 joules in 1 second, but over here the time is available in hours and hence has to be converted into seconds. Got it? And that amounts to 1 upon 3600. Diya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine. 14th. What should be the answer for 14th, Ansh? A is correct. Very good. Clear everybody too?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Get me the answer of 15. Do it.
can you please solve the 15th one? I'm not.
Yeah, have you done the pressure and thrust, beta?
Yes, I have.
Okay, fine. So here we are supposed in any numerical always emphasize what is being asked. क्या पूछा गया इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर? Pressure, isn't it? We are supposed to find out what the force and pressure exerted. So obviously, force is a part of pressure. Pressure is what? Pressure is force upon area regarded as thrust upon area. Thrust is the force which acts perpendicular to the surface. That's what we have already discussed, right? So here the thrust is in the form of weight upon area. What is the weight? 6 into 9.8 should be done, right? So a solid iron cuboid is kept on the table. The mass is this and dimensions is this, right? If it is made to lie on the table side with its side dimension, that means the cuboid is placed with length as 30 meter and breadth as 15 centimeter. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I tell you one thing, there is some mistake in the question itself. It should be regarded as 30 centimeter into 15 centimeter. So please change it from 30 meter to 30 centimeter into 15 centimeter. So obviously we need to convert both the values in the form of meter. So 30 centimeter, 30 upon 100. Right, so I converted centimeter into meter. Whensoever we convert the smaller into the bigger, obviously we need to divide. And 15 upon 100, am I right, beta? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now calculate the same, we'll get results into the answer. Right, and the answer for the 19th question is available to me as 15th question, sorry. Please tell me now. Yeah, are you clear with the concept?
Yes, sir. I'm clear with the concept. I'm doing it. Sir, I think I got the answer. Sir, is it option A?
No, beta, the answer for the 15th one, B is the correct option. Yes, B is the answer, beta.
Yes,
You
sir.
might have done the calculation mistake, just look after the same.
Okay, sir.
I hope Gauran, Shansa Singh, are you clear with the answer? The rest of the students sitting in front of me, clear? 16th, Shubham, what is the answer for the 16th? A potential is the correct one. We need not to waste time. 17th question, what should be the answer to the 17th, Dia?
1 second. Sir, the 17th one is potential energy.
17th, nahi beta, just read the question sincerely.
Oh, sorry. Sir, mass. Where?
Mass and velocity and the square of
Yeah,
velocity. Right? So that makes the answer of all MCQ based questions. Right? 18th question. Everybody should read question number 18th. And tell me the answer of 18th.
Sir, is it option A?
क्या जवाब दिया आपने? दिया you
Option
said
A.
option A and
Yeah.
18th. A आपका आंसर है. And what about you, Varun? B. The kinetic energy with any reference must be positive. It is because in the expression of kinetic energy, the velocity appears with power 2 and the mass is a scalar quantity. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है बेटा,
Yes, sir.
राइट. एनीवे आई होप के क्लियर हो गया होगा आपको. तो यहाँ पर स्केयर ऑफ वेलोसिटी कर दो, यहाँ पर पावर लिखा हुआ है बाय मिस्टेक. 19th क्वेश्चन. आई नीड द आंसर फ्रॉम दीपांशु. 19th क्वेश्चन.
सर इसका करने की होगा सर 180.
अरे
हाँ सर एक से एक
सबका आंसर क्लियर है बेटा. 19th. When the force retards the motion of a body, the work done is negative. Right?
Yes, sir.
Work done depends on the angle between force and displacement. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. हाँ, दिया आपका आंसर क्या 19th का?
19th, so 1 second. When the force. Sir, assertion is false, but
Is B or A?
D, sir.
A assertion is false, but reason is true. No, beta, it's the wrong answer. Varun, your
Sir,
answer is
option B.
correct. Now explain it why.
Because it depends on the direction. So
See, when the force retards the motion, the work done is negative, obviously.
negative direction.
The frictional force always retards the motion or not? That means the frictional force always acts opposite to the direction of displacement. If the force acts in this direction, suppose the vehicle moves in this direction with force F, so frictional force always acts opposite to it. So this is the direction of frictional force, this is the direction of applied force. The displacement is taking place in this direction, better. Displacement is in this direction, frictional force acts in this direction. Obviously that happens to be with an angle of 180 degree. So work done has to be negative. Clear? यह समझ में आया आपको?
हाँ, समझ में आया सर.
Great. So A is correct, but work done depends on the angle between force and displacement. Right? This is correct. If this is correct, why did you give the answer as B then, Varun? अगर ये करेक्ट है तो आपको ए ऑप्शन बोलना था.
Yes, sir.
रीजन वो
सर वही रीजन बता रहे हैं, क्योंकि नेगेटिव इसलिए
We should give time to this question. Just think about Dipanshu, what should be the answer of this? ए होना चाहिए. अंश सिंह, तुम्हारा क्या आंसर है?
सर मेरे को बी लग रहा है.
बी. क्यों बी लग रहा है तुम्हें? Tell me, explain it.
assertion is true. आ रहा है कि work done depends on the angle between force and displacement.
Types of work done depends upon the angle, but work done does not depend upon the angle between force and displacement. Work definitely takes place when the angle, whatever be the angle, work will definitely take place. Work will take place at an angle of 180 degree also. Work will take place at an angle of 0 degree also. Right? Except the angle of 90 degree, work can be achieved, work can be done, right, to every angle except the angle of 90 degree.
Yes.
So types of work depend upon the angle between force and displacement. Are you understanding the concept? Diya samajh mein aaya what I said?
Yes, sir. समझ.
See, types of work depends upon the angle between force and displacement, but the work itself does not depend upon the angle between force and displacement. We can do work even at an angle of 180 degree, though the work is negative. Work is definitely established at an angle of 0 degree, and the force acts in the direction of displacement. So types of work depend upon the angle, but work does not depend upon the angle. That's why this question is extremely important. 90% answers generally comes that the A is true, but A is not true. Why B is true? I hope everybody is clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Great. 20th question. Now switch on to 20th question and tell me the answer.
Sir, is it A?
Extremely important question. Question number 20th. A is one of the answer. Any other?
D.
Why? Explain it. What is the reason behind it?
Because अगर एक लाइट बॉडी और हेवी बॉडी का सेम मोमेंटम तो उसकी एनर्जी सेम नहीं हो सकती. मोमेंटम डिपेंड करता है काइनेटिक.
Is
तो मास चेंज है तो लाइट बॉडी है.
see, I'm what the answer, Goransh, for the 20th question? Any hint? We need to prove it mathematically. Just see here. Your answer is correct, but the reason must be mathematically. This question may come for 3 marks in the school exam also. Right? तो ध्यान से देखिए, A is not the correct answer दिया. The answer should be D. Why the answer should be D? Right? Just to see here. We know that kinetic energy is half mv square. This can be regarded as half m into v into v. Can I write so? That means half into v into p, where p is denoted as momentum and is the product of mass into velocity, and hence kinetic energy can be expressed as half of the product of velocity and the momentum acquired by the body. Is it clear? Any doubt till this stage?
No, sir.
So let the light body has mass m1 and heavy has mass m2, right? So kinetic energy of the first one, that means I am talking about the light one, right, is half m is half, obviously their momentum are same, so can't I write this is equal to v1 into p1, am I right? And kinetic energy of 2 is half into v2 into p2, and according to question, momentum of both the bodies are equal, and let it be equal to p, and hence kinetic energy of first is half into v, right, into p, and kinetic energy of second is half into v2 into p. Agree beta?
Yes, sir.
I hope इतना सबको clear है. Now can I find out the ratio? K1 upon K2 is half V1 into P, half V2 into P. Half and half cancels, P and P cancels. So kinetic energy of the light body, kinetic energy of the heavy body is equal to the velocity of the light body divided by the velocity of the heavy body. Am I right? Here? Now the question says, they also, a light body and heavy the same momentum, they also have the same kinetic, then they also have the same kinetic energy. The kinetic energy depends upon this. अब हमने इस aspect के अंदर क्या देखना है? Light and heavy have same momentum. They also have same kinetic energy. तो मैंने इतना आपके सामने रखा बेटा, क्लियर है? If they are having the same kinetic energy, right? So here, just tell me which one is having the more mass? तो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इट, हम किस तरीके से इसको जस्टिफाई करेंगे? एक कंडीशन मैंने आपको ये दी है, राइट? व्हाट शुड बी द नेक्स्ट वन?
Sir,
Sir,
my network sort of broke. Which question are we on?
Actually, we are on question number 20th. 20th itself. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है.
डिफरेंट है जो भी उनका मोमेंटम सेम है और इसका उनका मास हमारे के2 की वेलोसिटी
मैं अभी भी इसको आपको एज ए होमवर्क के तौर पे दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन मैं करा चुका हूँ. डी इज द, मैंने आपको रीजन दे दिया है, यहाँ पर हिंट दिया है. आई वांट यू टू एग्जीक्यूट इट. आई डिड इट 2 times in my real class. You can look after the video. फाइन. गौरांश, अंश, इसे घर पे करेंगे. आपके लिए भी ये होमवर्क है बेटा, दिया.
Yes, sir.
गेट मी द आंसर ऑफ 21st. What would be the answer for the 21st? A. Correct answer. A is correct. Any doubt? Anyone is having the doubt in the answer of the 21st, 22nd? See, 22nd is out of syllabus. Conserved we have not done. So leave this question. 22nd is not in the syllabus. It is a question of conservative force, and the conservative force you will study about it in the 11th class. So currently you may leave this question, right? Fine, beta?
Yes, sir.
22nd, I didn't tell you about the conserved force. I told about 22nd itself, beta. 22nd के कह रहा हूँ, 22nd क्वेश्चन को छोड़ दीजिए. 23rd question, get me the answer of 23rd question, please do it. Ansh Singh, where is your maths answer sheet? आपकी maths की answer sheet नहीं आई आज. आपने टेस्ट दिया था अंश कल घर पर?
सर मैंने आधा दिया था क्योंकि सर मेरी तबीयत ना बहुत
हाँ, मैं समझ गया. यस यस, ओके ओके, ध्यान नहीं रहा. गौरांश, आपकी आंसर शीट? नहीं बेटा, मुझे आंसर शीट सामने चेक करनी थी उसमें. तुम्हें आज, तुम वेडनेसडे को आओगे? चलो ठीक है, ये वाली आंसर शीट भेज देना. टेस्ट में यही आना कंपलसरी है. हैं बेटा? दैट वुड बी बेटर. फाइन. ट्वेंटी थर्ड दिया आपने? कल टेस्ट नहीं दिया था बेटा, क्या बिजी थे आप?
सर, आपने कहा था कि except me, everyone should give the test.
ओहो, आई टोल्ड यू लाइक दिस.
Sir, yeah, you had told me. आपने आज कल मुझे मैसेज भी किया था.
अच्छा अच्छा, मैथ्स. आर यू प्रिपेयर्ड विद द मैथ्स at least 80% of the entire syllabus?
Sir, it's polynomials, right?
No, I'm talking about the entire maths.
Sir, which one?
Have you completed at least 80% of the syllabus of maths?
In our school?
Yeah. In terms of knowledge also.
Only have around.
Okay, beta. So I suggest you to go for the test. But I think so now. What is the time of going to school and the coming back?
Sir, I come back at around 4:30.
Oh. Fine. So, do you have the Saturday as a holiday?
No, sir. I have Saturday as school.
Fine. The next from the next week itself, you start giving the test, beta.
Yes, sir. Which all chapters?
All complete syllabus test, all the chapters. You may leave those questions whose chapters are not cleared as far the concepts are concerned.
Okay.
23rd. Henatu, what is the answer of 23rd? 16? 100 Newton. Newton is the answer. गलत
पावर है
आंसर क्या है 23rd का आंसर क्या होगा what should be the answer of 23rd anybody
Sir, can I try?
yeah of course
Sir, for the first girl, the power is
160 watt
second girl is 60.
excellent answer power is 160 watt and another one is having the 64 watt
9.8
because about power is work upon time right so here we are available with the 400 Newton weight is already available to us as 400 that means mg is already available to us
सर एम डिस्प्लेसमेंट आ गई तो सब हाँ मेरा भी आंसर
into 8
मैंने एमजीएस लगाया इसलिए मेरा गलत हो गया
तो गलत है ना इसीलिए तो मैं इस डीपीपी को डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ एवरीबडी शुड इम्फेसाइज वेयर यू आर मिस्टेकन राइट नाउ आप कहाँ गलत हो आप उस पर फोकस करो पावर की ऐसा यूनिट वॉट होती है नाइदर न्यूटन नॉर जूल राइट एंड टाइम कितना है बेटा 8x 20 seconds right so in the similar fashion we can get the answer with the other B takes 50 seconds obviously you can get the answer so P1 and P2 24th is your homework 25th is your homework 26th is your homework because on the theoretical question we have already done them I need the answer of 27th question please do it you will also get the solution set up the same Dia, have you downloaded the app?
Sir, yes, sir, I downloaded it, but then for
no, beta, it's very accessible. So you may do one thing. You download it onto your mother number, I think so, or to your
Sir,
number itself, 1555, isn't it?
yeah.
So I just had a talk with your father today itself. You just again download at the same number and put up the code. You can easily access the same.
Yes, sir, I'll do it by today.
What is the answer 27th? Goransh.
काइनेटिक काइनेटिक एनर्जी
क्या ये बेटा
काइनेटिक सर 15 into power 11
The potential energy is mgh
75 into 10
right so what is the m
75 भाई 7.5 into 10 भी कह सकते
Right? The value of G should be taken as
10.
10
हैं 10 की power 6
into 25 kilometer. Kilometer need to be converted into kilometer.
2000.
Right? I hope now you can do it. This is 75 into 10 to power 7, 8, 9, 10. Agreed? That can be regarded as 7.5 into 10 to power 11 joule. Yeah, it is correct. Is it correct?
Yes, sir, I got it correct.
सर एक बार kinetic energy 10 और 11 है
Now kinetic energy is half mv square, half into 3 into 10 to power 6. V is 1 kilometer. Obviously need to be converted into meter. ठीक है ना? 1000 हो गया ना? Meter per second whole square. Now this is the answer. Now you can get it. कर लेंगे ना आप?
सर आंसर क्या आ रहा है इसमें निकाल लिया
हाँ तो देख लो बेटा सॉल्यूशन सेट अभी है नहीं मेरे पास करूँ से दिस इज 1.5 into 10 to power 6 into 10 to power 3 into 10 to power 6 that means 1.5 into 10 to power 12 do this answer
3 into 10 11 है
वो भी करेक्ट है I hope the answer of both the parts are clear to you, Gauransh, Ansh,
Yes,
Dia.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. 28th question is again the homework we did it earlier. 29th is again the homework we did it.
सर 38 हमने ओए का पेपर में दिया
Question number 30th. 30th I hope I had given you in the test. I need the answer of question number 30th now. Please do it. Everybody should do question number 30th and give me the answer. Thirtieth question. Any hint from you, Dia?
Sir, I got Avinash's part.
Okay.
It was 80 watt.
यस सर
The power is work upon time can be written as force into distance upon time, can be written as force into distance upon time, can be written as force into velocity. And hence the formula for the power, right, is also the product of force into velocity. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So as far as the power of Avinash is concerned, the force of Avinash into velocity of Avinash, that comes out to be 80 watt. Right, and power of Kapil, force of Kapil into velocity of Kapil, right, 25, right, into 3, 75. Obviously Avinash is having the more power. That makes the answer of question number 30th. I hope everybody is clear with this. Now the prominent question number 32. Everybody try to give me the answer of question number 32. So anyone having the answer for the 32nd question?
Sir, is it 18500
18,500.
18500?
Let me check it. Any other? Arun? The last one you have.
49.
Varansh? See, first he moves along a straight path, thereby covers a distance of 1500 meter. It forgot the path at round of radius 100, right? So that means he has to move along the circumference, right? And thereby the first distance covered is 1500, second distance should be written as d2, and the last distance is covered, and then he moves along the 2 kilometer again, d3. So this one is given to us as 1500, this one is 2000. What about d2 when he takes a round off? See, we are supposed to find out the work. Work is displacement into
Force into distance.
force. Is it clear? I hope it clear हो रहा ना बेटा आपको?
Yes, sir.
So force is already given to us as 5 Newton. So displacement, while taking a round off, obviously displacement is the shortest distance. Displacement the change in position. Distance has nothing to do with the change in position.
100 meter.
Then he has to take the diameter of the circular path straight. So 200, and that's why it amounts to 3700, right? Into 5 is the answer, and that amounts to what? बेटा क्या आंसर दिया था आपने?
Sir, मैंने 18500 जो
Is the excellent answer, correct? The answer for 32nd question is this.
हम ये कह सकते हैं 18.5 किलो.
Yes. Question number 33rd is your homework. You did it earlier.
एक चीज बोलिए 31st का जो सेकंड है सर उसको एक बार रीजन क्या है
कौन से वाला?
31st
31st का दोनों ही पार्ट देखते हैं. What is meant by the potential energy of the body? Energy possessed because of position.
Position.
Right? Then a body of mass this is raised to a vertical height through two different paths, right? A and B.
ये तो देखो रीजन बता.
What will be the potential energy of this? This is again an important question. See, the work done against gravity in both the cases does not depend upon the path. It always depends upon the initial and final position. मैं आपसे ये पूछता हूँ, please look here, this is an important question. कैसे पता नहीं रह गया 31st question. Everybody should look upon the second part of 31st question. दीपांशु बहुत बढ़िया किया तूने मुझे इसका ध्यान दिला दिया. This is an excellent question. Second part. Do you know the answer of second part?
Yes, sir.
No, you don't know. Why is it so? Because I have not discussed it. So I am not going to give you the marks for that. I am not going to deduct the marks for that, in fact. Right? Always remember one thing. What do you mean by conservative and non-conservative forces? मैं कुछ आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ. Right? So, Diya, are you here, beta?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
And Goransh?
Yes, sir.
Fine. See, the work done against gravity, whether we are moving absolutely straight are having a certain amount of turn as shown in the second figure, it does not depend upon the path along which the body is moving. It always depends upon the initial and final position. Suppose मुझे इस बिल्डिंग के 4th फ्लोर पर जाना है, तो I may go through the rope. I may go through the rope also. I may go through the stairs also. I may go through the slanted, right, stairs also. But the moment I reach over there, will there be any change in the potential energy? The value of the potential energy, right, actually depends upon the weight and the height. It does not depend upon the change in the path. Change, you take any nature of path, but you will raise to the same height or not. If this building amounts to 15 meter as its maximum height, so you may go through the stair with 15 meter. To cover 15 meter, you may go through the ropes also. You may go through the slanted stairs also. You will definitely cover a vertical height of 15 meter only. And the potential energy formula states that it is the force into displacement, vertical displacement. And force is always be seen in the form of weight. And weight is always be mg into h. So this h always depends upon, h is a vertical height. Vertical means perpendicular height. Perpendicular means the shortest distance. And shortest distance has to be the perpendicular distance. Did you get the answer of the second part of the 31st question, everybody?
Yes.
So, conservative work done is the one, right, which does not depend upon the path followed by the object to execute it, followed by any agent to execute it. Agent may be a live person or non-living also, right? Conservatively. Question number 34th. Tell me the answer of 34th question then. Do it. Kariye. 34th question. Everybody should try question number 34th. This is one of the most important question. बिल्कुल.
पावर बताना
अभी मुझे क्वेश्चन पढ़ने दे. The answer for the first part, 1000 watt. And Diya, what is your answer for the first part of question number 34?
Sir, the first part I got it as 1000.
1000 watt is the correct answer. Everybody is correct, definitely. Nice, beta. बिल्कुल ठीक है वरुण. Power is force into velocity. Explained you. Force is 100 Newton into velocity 10 meter per second. So 1000 is the straight answer. Now what would be the velocity with which the car B moves? That's what I need. Have you done the principle of conservation of linear momentum, Diya?
Yes, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Because that is eliminated, but we did it in our real class. That's why I asked this question in the paper. Principle of conservation of linear momentum states that the sum of momentum before collision is equal to sum of momentum after collision. Right? So you need to attend the class, then only you will be able to understand it. This is the principle of conservation of momentum. Sum of momentum before collision, sum of momentum after collision. क्या आंसर है बेटा?
Sir, 10 meter per second.
Excellent answer. 10 is correct. Very good, Goransh.
ये रेस्ट में
So mass of the first one is this, and it was already moving with a speed of 10. Strikes with another car having the mass 100, but the car was at rest. Right? Is equal to what? Now the first car, right, comes to rest. Right? So what would be the velocity with which the second moves? Right? So the velocity comes out to be the same as the velocity of the first one. जब आप इसे solve करेंगे, obviously 0 0 हो गया. This and this cancels out. Velocity of B comes out to be 10 meter per second. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now I need the 35th is your homework. 36th question, I need the answer for the second part. 36, I need the answer for the second part.
यूज हो गया है
I need the answer to the second part. कितना आंसर? 2/3.
वेलोसिटी सेम है तो
हाफ
हाफ
ऑफ वेलोसिटी
वेलोसिटी कट जाएगी तो m अपॉन f में रह जाएगा
m1 upon m
हाथ से तो रेशियो दे रखी
Diya, what is the answer for the second part of the 36th question?
Sir, I got the kinetic energy of the truck as 150. I'm calculating the kinetic
Okay,
energy.
okay. Their masses are mass of the car and the mass of the truck are in the ratio 2:3. So kinetic energy of car is half, right? Can be regarded as what? So mass of the car can be regarded as 2x, mass of the truck can be regarded as 3x. So 2x, right?
30
Very good, beta. Half into, so your answer correct है. 3x into so their ratio comes out to be same, 2/3. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So that makes the answer of the second part of this. 37th is very easy. We have already done it many times, isn't it? Derive the kinetic energy formula. We did it in the main class. I hope you also know it, Diya, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Varansh, are you clear with the answer of 37 as well, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, find the answer of the first part of 38th question.
So the final ratio is 1:1.
Excellent answer. This is 1:1. Correct. Absolutely right. Very good, Ria.
क्योंकि will also take 2 times है तो 4 हो जाएगा सर.
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है.
By 2 times
First,
1 by 2 नहीं.
half mv square. Now the new kinetic energy, right? New mass, right? Velocity becomes half. Obviously, k2 also comes out to be the same then. After solving it, you will get the same expression. This is first, this is second. The ratio k is to k is 1:1 is the correct answer. Right? So that makes the answer of 38. Now everybody should try the case study based question. Question number 39 to 43. You need to give the answer right now. Do it. 39 to the next one. 39 to 43. Case study 1. This is the first question of case study based. What would be the answer of the first part of 39th?
A.
A is correct.
Sir, A.
Excellent answer. What would be the answer for the 40th part?
Sir, option
Sir, C.
Correct answer. 41st part, Diya.
Sir, B.
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 Excellent. So you can well imagine. So there seems to be case study based questions, but I guarantee you the case study based questions are the easiest one, right? There seems to be like an unseen passage as available in the English question paper, but the questions actually depends upon the direct concept, isn't it? Even in most of the question we don't even require to read the entire paragraph. We can put up the answer within no time. Right? So you should read in that case. What would be the answer of the 42nd?
ये होगा क्योंकि सर हैमर सर एक पोजीशन पे.
What would be the answer of 42nd, Goransh? Ansh, are you here?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer 42nd?
Option A.
Option A. Diya?
Yes, sir. A.
No, beta. The answer is D. Kinetic energy will convert into heat energy.
Yes sir.
सर पर जब हैमर को मैं मार
Heat are the, obviously.
सर लेकिन उसमें पोटेंशियल
भाई पहले मार तो रहे हैं
सर
ना.
वो नेल भी तो हाइट पे
We are not concerned about the potential energy of the nail. We just need to look after the conversion in terms of the interaction of the hammer with the nail. Right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now the last 43rd.
अरे
Sir, A.
Fine. Now switch on to 44 through 48. Do it.
सर 44
होगा सर.
The first part of 44th question.
4 times.
What is the answer for the 44th question? What is the answer for the 44th?
A both potential फर्स्ट फ्लाइंग है तो किसी हाइट पे भी होगा और वो मूव भी कर रहे हैं
जैसे
इसलिए
पेंडुलम पे भी एक पॉइंट पे आता है.
दोनों
Answer for the 44th. A speeding car possesses kinetic energy. In short, kinetic energy is this. The kinetic energy increases. The kinetic energy is equal to this and requires this. The work done is equal to 44th question. The answer is what is the answer Diya for the 44th question?
Sir, isn't it A?
No, it should be C.
Oh, see. Okay.
Why is it so? Because we need to put up the answer according to the paragraph, not according to the real concept as well. See, the entire paragraph is talking about the kinetic energy.
काम क्या है जरूर
I told you also. Nahin, I also told you that there are some questions which need to read the paragraph. Which we need to read the paragraph as well. बोला है बेटा मैंने ऐसे सुना नहीं ध्यान से.
सर इसलिए बोला था इंग्लिश
पढ़ने का फायदा नहीं है
नहीं मैंने कहा था मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ऐसा है, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन पे मैं रुका हूँ.
सर क्योंकि फर्स्ट लाइन में लिखा है फ्लाइंग ये
राइट, फिर मैंने पूरा पैराग्राफ पढ़ा इसे. And then I came to know that the answer should be C rather than the A itself, because the entire paragraph has nothing to do with the potential energy.
फर्स्ट लाइन में फ्लाइंग एयरक्राफ्ट पोजेसेस काइनेटिक एनर्जी.
So whenever you have a confusion, in that case you need to read the entire paragraph. So I hope the answer is correct to you, Diya.
Yes, sir.
Gauransh, clear? Ansh,
Yes, sir.
45th answer.
सर
सर
सी
सी 4
4 टाइम्स
What is 46th answer?
बी सर
only
47th answer.
मैं कह रहा हूँ एक चीज एयर फ्रिक्शन होता है ना सर सर अगर हम एयर फ्रिक्शन को ले तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी को नहीं डिक्रीज
कर सकता है वो नेग्लेक्ट करते हैं उसे. एयर फ्रिक्शन को हम लेते नहीं है. 47th क्वेश्चन.
हाफ है
Please correct the option. Which one should be the answer? 47.
खराब है फीस में
हाफ एम वी स्केयर है. इसको आप सारी ऑप्शंस में 3 एम वी स्केयर, 1/4 एम वी स्केयर, 2 एम वी स्केयर करो. हाफ एम वी स्केयर.
पैराग्राफ की लास्ट लाइन
Clear to everybody?
वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू काइनेटिक
Yes, sir.
सर ये लास्ट लाइन
48th question now.
सर 120
Diya, what is the answer?
We're doing it.
हाँ सर
Sir, option
120 तुम्हारा सेट अलग आ रहा होगा कई बार जैसे सेट 1 सेट 2 आता है कैमरा क्या नाम काला बोलती अरे वो बहुत छोटा पापा तो ग्रीन होता है क्या पापा डोरेमोन भी पापा जो होता है क्या दिख रहा है बिग
I hope the answer of 48th is clear.
यस
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
तो दिया clear है आपको बेटा?
Yes, sir. Clear है.
So in that way we have discussed almost the entire question paper, isn't it? So now I'll be taking a break of 15 minutes, right? Not 15 minutes, exactly 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes we will meet again for the mathematics, and in today's maths we will be discussing the Heron's formula. Right? So just have a break of 10 minutes, Siddhya, and all of you beta.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
ये जैसे हमने लिखा क्रैश कोर्स शेड्यूल, तो ये 11 तारीख तक चलता रहेगा.
अरे भाई हर हफ्ते में